Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Sublime Text versus Neovim, best text editor software. Let's compare two of the most popular text editors in 2025. Sublime Text and Neovim, both are lightweight and fast, but they cater to different types of developers. Sublime Text is a cross-platform proprietary editor praised for its speed, clean interface, and distraction-free design. It's blazingly fast even with large files, supports tabs, split views, and plugins via package control, and runs on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux with one-time license fee. However, it has limited built-in language tooling, a smaller plugin ecosystem than VS Code or NeoVim, and slower development updates. NeoVim, on the other hand, is a modern, open-source refactor of Vim, ideal for keyboard-driven power users who love deep customization. It's free, extremely lightweight, endlessly extendable via Lua configs and plugins, and can act like a full IDE with the right setup. But it has a steep learning curve, requires manual configuration, and isn't ideal for mouse heavy workflows. The verdict: choose Sublime Text for a polished, no fuss editor with great defaults, and pick NeoVim if you want a fully customizable, long term powerhouse for advanced workflows. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.